Can you live in your house while we remodel it? Yes, and most of our clients do. But I tell people the truth about it, which is that it's like camping. You can absolutely do it, it's just uncomfortable. And the real question isn't whether you stay, it's which weeks you leave. Plan to be gone for heavy demolition. Plan to be gone when the floors go in. That's usually 2 to 3 weeks across the whole project, and if you know that up front, you can plan around it instead of scrambling. What decides the rest sometimes is the plumbing. If the work takes your last unusable bathroom, you're leaving. Doesn't matter how small the job looks on paper. We did a whole house in Chandler, 2,800 square feet. Kitchen gutted, both bathrooms down to the studs, every inch of flooring replaced, whole interior repainted. The family stayed for most of it. Refrigerator in the garage, folding table for the microwave, rug on the garage floor so they had somewhere to eat dinner. That project ran 12 weeks. It probably should have run 9, maybe 10. Those extra weeks were the cost of them staying, and we ate them. Their price didn't change, their calendar did. I asked them afterwards if they'd do it the same way, and they said yes. They said it was uncomfortable too, but the money they didn't spend on a rental went into their house remodel instead. And to them, that was worth it. That's the honest version. Staying isn't free and it isn't easy. For a lot of families, it's still the right call. Everything I just said is written out below, along with what to ask any contractor before you decide. When you're ready to get serious, let's start the conversation.